The question is, do you give expensive gifts?
मैम ये किसी को देने के लिए बोला है ना?
Yes, आप किसी को expensive gifts देते हो या आपको पसंद है या आपने कभी दिए हैं तो आप उसके बारे में बता सकते हो, या जनरली देते हो या कभी कभी देते हो, या फिर किसी स्पेशल पर्सन को ही देते हो या किसी फैमिली मेंबर को देते हो, और लोगों को जो बाहर के लोग हैं उनको एक्सपेंसिव नहीं देते हो, या आपने कभी भी नहीं दिया, एंड उसकी रीजंस बतानी है. सो डू यू गिव एक्सपेंसिव गिफ्ट्स?
मैम इसका नेगेटिव में देना चाहिए या पॉजिटिव में?
दोनों में आंसर ठीक है. पॉजिटिव दोगे तो भी ठीक है, नेगेटिव दोगे तो भी ठीक है, बट यू हैव टू सपोर्ट योर आंसर विद प्रॉपर रीजंस. If you have not given any expensive gifts, then you have to tell the reason. Probably some people are not able to afford buying expensive gifts for others, right?
यस मैम.
And if you say, yes, I give expensive gifts only to my near and dear ones, for example, my parents or my brothers and sisters or some friends, one or two friends which are really close to me. Apart from that, I have never given any expensive gifts to someone outside my family or my near and dear ones. Or you can say that I think that I don't believe in giving expensive gifts because the feelings matter more than the price of the gift. So normally I give reasonable gifts which are of reasonable price, and but I do ensure that the gift that I am giving to another person is useful for that person. So you can
ओके.
answer this question in so many ways. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Okay. So now you think and answer. Do you give expensive gifts?
I don't believe this in expensive gift.
I do not.
I do not believe that in expensive gift.
I do not believe in giving expensive gifts.
I do not believe giving in expensive gift because
Mhm.
uh, gift is gift. Uh, बिकॉज मतलब जैसे हम बोलते हैं गिफ्ट तो गिफ्ट होता है, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं. गिफ्ट इज
Okay, I'm writing this sentence for you. See. I do not believe in giving expensive gifts because I feel that a gift can never be judged by its price. Okay?
I do not believe that giving expensive gift because I feel that a gift can never be judged by its price because attach our emotion with gift. Yes.
Moreover, when a person gifts something, sorry, not some things, something, his emotions or feelings are attached to it. Okay?
Moreover, when a person gives something, his emotion or feelings are attached to it.
Hmm.
Attached to it. So, so I give the reasonable gift to someone.
So I give gifts which are of
I,
reasonable price, but I do ensure that the present I am giving is useful for the other person.
person.
Yes.
So I give gift which are of a reasonable price, but I do ensure that the present I am giving uh, useful for other person.
For the other person. Okay. So do you believe in giving, or do you give expensive gifts? I do not believe in giving expensive gifts because I feel that a gift can never be judged by its price. Moreover, I also feel that when a person gifts something, his emotions or feelings are attached to it. So I give gifts which are of reasonable price, but I do ensure that the present I am giving is useful for the other person.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, मोर ओवर के बाद ऐसे बोलो आई फील दैट, क्योंकि ये आपकी फीलिंग है.
Okay. Moreover, I feel.
That when a person
Moreover,
gifts.
yes. Once again, ma'am. Moreover, I feel that when a person gives something,
Hmm,
his emotion or feelings are attached to it. So
yes.
I give some things नहीं है
नहीं,
ठीक है ना मैम.
समथिंग्स नहीं है, वो एरर बाय मिस्टेक टाइप हो गया, समथिंग है.
Okay. Moreover, I feel that ना मैम. नहीं. Yes ma'am.
यस यस. मोर ओवर आई फील दैट,
More.
क्योंकि हमने ऊपर आई डू बिलीव वर्ड यूज कर लिया, तो चेंज करके बोलना है. फील, आई फील
Okay.
दैट, आई बिलीव दैट, आई थिंक दैट, लाइक दैट.
Okay. Moreover, I feel that when a person gives something, his emotion or feelings are attached to it.
हम्म.
So I give gifts
हम्म.
which are of a reasonable price, but I do not ensure that
बट आई डू
present.
इंश्योर, डू इंश्योर.
I do ensure that the present I am giving is useful for other enemy,
फॉर
person
फॉर द अदर पर्सन.
for the other person.
यस, सो इंश्योर मीन्स टू मेक इट श्योर. आप इंश्योर की जगह ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, बट आई डू मेक इट श्योर दैट द प्रेजेंट आई एम गिविंग इज यूजफुल फॉर द अदर पर्सन. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. ओके, नाउ विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.